Guku ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Atiriri, nimonete hashtag ino era trend online. We are all Kikuyus. Mwena wa regime ino na mwena wa must go drona toro nyudo wa hashtag ino. Hashtag ino yokite thutha wa mirũgano ya sabasaba. Na mwena wa regime ino magoka na narrative ati Agikuyu niyo mararũgana. Ka narrative akareho ati Agikuyu niyo me against regime ino. Mwenda gũframe atiriri ati Agikuyu tu no mena thina na regime ino. Andũ kũrĩa X maria mũno. Na thutha ũcio mũtheri hashtag ino yoka we are all Kikuyus. Rĩkana mĩrũgano ino ĩkoretwo ĩgĩtio nĩ Genz. No yetio nĩ Genz ni mwonire jina nyuto makiaria kana atongori a Mount Kenya ame against regime ino makoga atiriri ni guns ciratu Mount Kenya cithi cigatukangie igetha gũtuĩke ni Mũgĩkũyũ arahorithania Mũgĩkũyũ ũrĩa ũngĩ na magaframe legatha wa Gachagua. That's why hashtag ino yokete we are all Kikuyus todo ti Agikuyu me against regime ino. Ni Kenya and majority of Kenyans are against this regime. Genz ni matongoria mirũgano ino na makametia gũkũ online. So almost every Kenyan is against this regime tondu kila Mũkenya ni ahinyĩrĩirio. It's not about the narrative kama ageria kurehe rũrĩko kageria kũingatwo nĩ andũ gũkũ online. Mũndũ wetwo Cyprian Nyakundi one blogger mũno ni okita akauga we are all Kikuyus and ma comment mũno. Hena mũndũ ũgwĩtwo son of the soil Dr. Isaiah by the no blogger by the way and I think anakuanga tu nini anakuanga mkale na son of the soil ugete I am a Kikuyu, my name is Isaiah Kenuthia Wachira, we are all Kikuyu. Now reke ndimutware imwe kwemwe kuria Twitter na andũ ũrĩa me postete kuria mwena wa Twitter tondu kuri mwena wa Twitter ni kuwakanita muno ni posti nyingi no reke tugere one by one igetha muone andũ ũrĩa mugite nohoro wa narrative irareho ni Mũgĩkũyũ igetha andũ rĩrĩ ingĩ ciothe cinyitane against Kikuyu muone ũrĩa andũ mahoranĩte na narrative yo. Hena mũndũ upostete etaka baba akawo Ruto nenda post as it is so oniguo kababa dikete mukuona hau da post hau igoro. Ruto thinking only Kikuyus hate him will be his greatest downfall. Maigwa, boys unachukiwa kila kona ya hii inchi. Ucio ni mundu ugete uguo. Kwena Akbas. Na Akbas ugete uguo. Only a fool would think Kikuyus are burning down their own businesses. The massive looting is being done by the state militia. Ucio ni mundu opposite. Sadat aga post akawo Blank Mutai aged 21 aloragirwo kuria Kitengera. He even tried begging police to let him go but they shot him on the neck twice. Tribal rage against Kikuyus is pushing Ruto to kill even his people. Oyo mundu ugete atiriri kwena mundu uretwo ga Kimutai aloragirwo kuria Kitengera na agatariria uria kuana ati you see ugo niguo ikarete. He mundu witigitwo Black Kosgei. Black Kosgei augite ni mukare riu augite they are pulling the tribal card against Kikuyus. We should resist. Don't buy that idea. They are pulling the tribal card against Kikuyu. Nani Kosgei, they are pulling tribal card against Kikuyus. We should resist. Don't buy that idea. Kiprich agashokia akauga atiriri. We are not in 2007. How am I supposed to abuse and fight Njoroge bwana? How am I sorry? We are not in 2007. How am I supposed to abuse and fight Njoroge bwana? Njoroge bwana na Wednesday and Friday market day ataenda kuniuzia viatu. Na shiko aniuzie mali tao every day. Never. Kiprich akauga ndangĩrũa ndakana ndangĩhũra Mũgĩkũyũ. Na Black Kosgei akauga we are not fools. because of that idea ere radio na narrative eyoke radio. Hino moderator Shola add awetio. It's not Kikuyus who sold Bomas of Kenya. It's not Luos who have sold it. It's not the common Mwananchi who has sold it. It's William Ruto and his people who have sold it. Selling our culture. The enemy is William Ruto. It's Ruto ruining Kenya. Ushio ni mudu oweto Shola aretie kore mwena wa Twitter. Hanifa akago. We must strive hard to debunk that senseless tribal narrative, painting the protest as a Kikuyu affair and trying to throw them under the bus. If the people participating in protest are Kikuyus, then I, Hanifa Adan Safia, I am a Kikuyu. Safia Adan Safia. Oshio ne mwidharamu. Haugo nake, she's a Kikuyu. Neke agekoro. Ati agekoro. Agikoro atiriri. Agikoro nio mararwera kiria affair cia Kenya. Agikoro tu no agikoro marakirwera yene mugikuyu tondu onake niararwera maundu maria mefurire wa Kenya. Kede muthomero ni Hanifa. By the way, this one is very nice. We must strive hard to debunk that senseless tribal narrative, painting the protest as a Kikuyu affair and trying to throw them under the bus. If the people participating in protest are Kikuyus, then I, Hanifa Adan Safia, I am a Kikuyu. Todo ne kila mundu arekatia athini wa merugano. Kwena Brian Mutiga awete. The funny thing about all this is that Kikuyu will turn out in large numbers to vote out William Ruto in 2027, while ODM followers will not because they think Ruto has the system. Todo jaluo mala supportio Ruto. It's not on their own. Na modo oweto East Champ. Owetio. Funny thing, some Luos are acting as if they live outside Kenya and that Kikuyus are really suffering under the regime, not knowing that we are all in this struggle. In fact, this is not a Kikuyu thing. It's a Genz movement aiming at liberating this country. Maiwa. The government critical kawa. We are all Kikuyus for participating in the protests. Okay? Saitabao ore konche kawa. We are all Kikuyus. Now, ogera rere hashtag yene we are all Kikuyus. Ne hashtag by the theater mono Korea mwena FB in a more than 1,000 reposts. And by the way, by the end of the day, hashtag ne joy nego trend mono woko online. Eyo hashtag nego trend mono woko online. You know what's happening, guys? Odomwe. The fact is, a Kenya tiakegu. Every Kenyan knows mirogano eno ni a Genz. Okay? That's fact. Mirogano eno ni a Genz. Now, Rigathi wa Gachagua ndari arugama akera andu kana Agikuyu ni turarugana muthenya fulani. Rigathi wa Gachagua ndari Agikuyu ati ntwari sabasaba. In fact, Rigathi wa Gachagua, these people even don't know how this thing is being planned, egako implemented, nega koro esawa. If then this thing is a Kikuyu thing, neke maake higete musho wa Nairobi. If it's a Kikuyu thing, neke maari gishiria musho wa Nairobi. Sibangeachilia tuone kama Wakikuyu watu watakuwa kwa nini kwa hiyo maandamano. Kana dhini wa merugano hiyo. Wangeachilia tu. Hiyo narrative maageria kurehe. It won't work and it has backfired. Already, nyamuyo yetu online, ekabia go trend yogo, already it has backfired. And let me tell you, Queen Agikuyu memwe na wali jimwino, I don't know, ni drama ene tatia. Agikuyu ashioi, no matumika to fight their own Kikuyus. Yet we are suffering. Agikuyu ashioi, no matumiro, mogia terere, this is Agikuyu affair. And the Kikuyus are the one who are being used kutidika maudumaya. It's so unfortunate. Neki agikumatika nyitane. Higwa othe Raila akwetu eho. Dore wona moja luo agethi against Raila. Othe makoma nyitanite. No tha ici matari hamwe. No higwa yage othe Raila akoma nyitanite nao. O maudu mothe mao mekame kindu kimwe na kio Raila anaingira thini wa opposition ukoraga Nyanza ni renderea because they are all one. Now we Kikuyu twi haha kwina Agikuyu mekuria thini, they are fighting us na nithui aingi niki they are fighting us ko praise mundu fulani toro guo tu they are fighting igetha gutuike narrative niguo kuhuana igetha muone riri if they will be re-elected mwaka wa 2027 o kindu kia marenda kurehe ni njatukano thini wa Mount Kenya region, marenda kurehe njatukano, marenda kurehe riri Mugikuyu amenwo ni nduriri yaingi. And do you know why they are bringing that narrative? Igetha nduriri yaingi cigona riu Mugikuyu ni muru magacagura mundu uyu kinara ati mundu ria igetha riri mundu uria support ni Agikuyu maugetha ta Kikuyu thing igetha riri nduriri yaingi ciothe cia support kinara maundu me mothe mekuo. It's not about Kikuyus. It's about Kenyans. Kenyans are tired. These people mageiru mamenya terere a Kenya ni arakaru. Tina TV show mwaka uto deya woko at it's a Kikuyu thing. This is not a Kikuyu thing. It's affecting each and every person denye wa forori wa Kenya. Of course, yes, it's affecting each and every person. And that's what ona kila mundu auga terere. We are all Kikuyu. The hashtag is there. It's trending like fire. As we speak, on a material by the way. On a bloggers, I'm in our regime. In fact, they're not be able on a material hot opposite issue. No can make it. Tola material menya neki kula dina bere. But let me tell you guys, ogwani wa maudu mekarete na Mugikuyu image ewina. In fact, neki image ewina. Regatha washagua ni akoretwo kiruta thikari no mahitia. Regatha wagacagua ndari etia mirurungano, regatha wagacagua nderugama akera Gikuyu atiriri kana Kenya marurungane. In fact, Genz ni wanafanya hivyo, and that's why Genz raishi mauga we are all Kikuyus. If Agikuyu neo marekata marurungana, it's a win for Kikuyu community. Guys, it is what it is. Woko ni kwa Kikuyu podcast. Moni manyi mariko inyi mwana. Thank you. God bless you. Thank you guys.